This is the elevator at 2345 Murray Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Dove Marshall impulse elevator from the 1990s. Oildraulic, I believe. Case Fire 90s elevator. We'll go up to 3. Interior, go up. Here at 3, the indicator's rather dim. And we'll go back down to 1. 88 phone, Guardian Protection Services security sticker in the phone box. That's rather weird. Pretty basic cab. For Dover Impulse from the 1990s. Here's your Dover Impulse panel, 1990 style braille, power first operation. Case 5 nice elevators, there's a certificate, here back at 1.